Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this 4-volt rechargeable cordless electric screwdriver kit, which includes 32 pieces. Alright, so right here we have this ergonomic design and compact cordless driver. This screwdriver has a slim design for a comfortable grip and versatile control. The electric screwdriver kit comes with a complete type of screwdriver bits, drill bits, sockets, extension flex shaft, and a storage box. Alright, so now let's make our way into the box. This is just the manufactured information. So in here you'll see this screwdriver that is equipped with a rear earth motor, delivering an over 25% higher torque and a 5 Nm. All metal gears can be drive small and large screws into a variety of materials. So at the bottom right here you do get the user manual. This basically just goes over all the information regarding the screwdriver, what bits and screws that you do get, what comes in the box. So thanks to the torque adjustment dial, it allows you to control drive more accurately and different applications, forward and reverse rotation. So that just basically tells you about the safety warnings, screwdriver safety warnings, general power tool safety warnings. And then you've got know your product. It just tells you your voltage. What is the buttons for these? It does come equipped with a flashlight. Some other warnings. And then you've got the extension hex. So right here is the box itself. It does come with a little box, which is great, so you can keep all your tools in one place. I thought this was a handle, but it's not. It's just something that just sits at the bottom. Then you have your little hinges at the bottom. It's really good and secure, really thick plastic. You do get your side grips on the side that actually helps it lock it in place. So when you open up, first off, you'll see all the tools and the screwdrivers. And then you got your power cord. There's a little information here at the top that basically tells you how to turn off this screwdriver. And if you have any questions, you can contact the company directly. So there's your sockets, your screws. And it does come with a quarter magnetic thick chuck. The cordless screwdriver has a standard 1/4 6.35 millimeter magnetic chuck that accepts all screwdriver bits on the market, and the chuck integrated with a magnetic, so you don't need to worry about them falling during the work. And you have some other drill bits here. This does have a lithium-ion battery charger by USB. The cordless screwdriver is built in with a rechargeable 1500 milliamp lithium-ion battery with a 500 cycles of charging or discharging. So there is the power charger right there. And so here is the screwdriver itself. It's very lightweight. It does have a hand grip, so you can put that around your hand while you're working. There is your forward and your back. So you got your reverse and you've got your forward, which allows you to control the rotation directions of the drive or move screws easily. Press and hold either to forward to reverse the button for 2 seconds to power the screwdriver. It's got a really nice grip. So here on the back it tells you some more details about the battery. These little 3 things right here are the LED lights. So if you're working at night, it'll give you some extra lighting. And this is just the speed. You got all the way up from 6 down to 1. So the farthest it goes is to a 6. The lowest it goes is to a 1. So you just move that over like that to move it to 1, which means it's a slower speed. And then there's your charging port. You just put there in there like that. So now I'm going to try a couple little bits here. So there's your forward. You can see the light comes on as soon as you push the button. It's a really nice bright light. So if you're working at night, this is a nice little thing to have. You can see what you're actually doing. So this screwdriver is a convenient, lightweight, compact, and powerful. It is equipped with 33 accessories, including drill bits, which can meet your small DIY projects, decoration works, maintenance, etc. They believe that the cordless screwdriver for your project will be done smoothly. So if you're anything like me that used to use the manual one, that does take a lot out of you. So having an electric screwdriver is actually a plus. So here is your extension bit. It fits in here just like that. So for those hard to reach places, this is a must-have. Once you get in there tight, you push your forward, it moves forward. You click on the reverse, it removes reverse. So this screwdriver itself has a 4 volt, normally a 3.6 volt bit holder, is a quarter, which is 6.35 millimeter, not load speed of 300 mN. Battery is a 1500 milliamp battery, lithium-ion. The torque max of this is 5 Nm. The speed adjustment is 6 settings. Charging type is a micro USB. The charging time is about 1.5 hours for 5 volts, 1 amp. The actual weight of itself is 0.6 pounds. So here's with another bit. That's pushing it forward and backwards. Like I said before, it has 6 speeds. This does have a comfortable grip with a user-friendly design that makes screwdriving very comfortable to use, and streamlined body that makes it feel comfortable to hold. So here's how bright the light is. The magnetic bit holder inserts a drive bit directly into the magnetic bit holder. To remove the drive bit, pull firmly on the drive until it is released from the magnetic bit holder. So it is all magnetic. You don't got to worry about them falling off while you're doing your project. Now, in order to turn this off, it says to turn off the screwdriver, hold either the forward button or the release button for 2 seconds. Then the screwdriver is ready for work. It will be automatically if the screwdriver has not been used for 10 minutes, so it'll automatically turn off after 10 minutes. If you want to turn it off, you'll just hold either the forward or the reverse for 2 seconds and it should automatically turn off. So once you're done with it, just go ahead and lock this in place because it's got a nice little case that will protect all your screwdrivers and your bits. This does come with a hard plastic, so it will protect all your screwdrivers and your bit set. So this is what the whole kit looks like. You do get everything that you need to start your DIY projects. You have all the different screwdrivers. You've got a screwdriver handle. You got a couple of sockets for your projects. You also got the power charger, and below you've got the external hand. I would definitely say check this one out.